All right, let's get plugged in. The levels are good. We in here. All right, check it out, guys. What's up, everybody? It's Meech. Welcome back to On the Radar. And today on the radar, I want to show you guys this. What is this? Is it? Are we in? Are we in focus? I want to show you guys this. What is this? You're probably thinking, right? This is a shower filter. Okay. Now, what is the significance of this? You're probably wondering. Well, the crud right here, let's get this in focus. Now, the crud right here is the significance. Look at that. We're not in focus. What's going on? We're not in focus. All right, see, we're in focus now. Why is it just attached to me? Anyway, you can see it. Okay? So, the reason why this is important and the reason why this is on the radar today is I've been using these for 8 months, 10 months now, something like that. I forget the exact time, but we always, most of us, we drink spring water, we filter water, we worry about the water that we drink, but very rare do we think about the water that we're putting on our bodies. So again, I want to show you this. This is the shit. Let's focus. Let's focus. Let's focus. We're in focus. I want you to see this crud and understand that this is my shower filter, and this is the crud that is coming out of the filter. It goes in this side. It filters through. It comes out this side. So this is what's remaining, you know, as it filters through. So the point being, like I said, we think about what we put in our bodies, but we don't think about what's going on our bodies and how that's affecting us. We don't think about how the water that we're bathing in is contaminated, and it's doing stuff to us. It's giving us eczema. It's giving us dry skin. It's messing up our hair. It's messing up our nails. It's messing up our respiratory, because whatever's coming out of that water, best believe we're breathing that in and we're absorbing whatever that is because it's going onto our skin. So I've been using these filters, like I said, for months now. This is actually my second one. I'll show you guys the first one, and I'll show you what it looks like before and after, when it's fresh, when it's new, and you know, when it starts to gets used. I've been encouraging everybody that I know to try out these shower filters because, like I said, it makes a difference. When you look at all the crud that's in these things, and if this is just the outside, think about what's in the inside that's trapped in there, and think about what you're putting onto your body every single day. So all of this crud without a filter is going onto your body every single day when you shower. It's soaking into your skin, it's soaking into your hair. It's nasty. And then you wonder why we have dry skin, we have eczema, we have all these different issues, and you know, our hair is dry, our hair is brittle. All these different things. Our breathing is funny. We're getting asthma. We don't realistically know what's in this water most of the time. First thing that I noticed, by the way, the ones that I got, they're Captain Echo. I got them offline. They're $29 for two. Each one lasts 6 months, so you get a year supply for $29. Like it's you know, at least try it out. You have nothing to lose. The first thing that I noticed when I started using it is, usually when I get out of the shower, the first thing that I do after a couple of minutes, I have to lotion right away because my skin starts to get dry. I start getting itchy, and then I feel like I have this film around me. And you know, we typically think that film that you feel is based off of the soaps that you use. So we're always trying to use different soaps and body washes and stuff like that. And you know, I'm the same way. And in some cases it helps, but we don't think about it's actually the water. Some of us had hard water, alkaline water. It depends on where you're from, but all of these waters have contaminants in it, whether it's natural contaminants, stuff that's picking up from the pipes, things that is really not natural, chlorine, all these things that's in the water, it's affecting us. So really the main thing that I noticed over the past few months is my skin isn't so dry. I don't have to, there's times where I don't even have to put lotion on. And you know, I'm typically, like I said, the first thing I do when I get out the shower, I have to do something to moisturize my skin. So I just encourage you guys to you know, give this stuff a try and think about, again, what's coming out of your water, what's coming out of your faucet, what's going on to your body, and what's being absorbed into your skin, and how these things are affecting you. This is one of the many things that along my health and wellness journey that I've gotten into. And I always encourage you guys that we're always, especially on this channel, I'm always talking about mental health. I'm always talking about physical health, physical fitness. But there's a lot of other things that's involved in being fit and being well and being healthy that we don't think about. It's not all about just the weights. It's not all about just the mind. It's all the other things around you. And I'm going to be bringing more of this to you guys' attention. So definitely check out the filters. If you don't just take my word for it, hopefully people will comment in this video that have used it and have experience, and they will talk about it. But also go to Amazon, go to the different ones. I'm talking about this particular brand, and I will leave the link in the description. But I'm talking about this particular brand because this is the one that I've used. But you can go on Amazon, find any other one, and just look at the reviews. Read the reviews of people who have actually used it. And the thing with Amazon is there's verified purchases, meaning they're not people, it's real people who actually have accounts and actually have purchased these things. It's not just, a company will put something up and then fake all of the reviews. So, you'll see it on Amazon. It says verified purchases. So you can actually trust that, these people are real. And just, read those comments and get their experiences and try it out for yourself. The shower filters, they said to soften the water, remove chlorine and sediments, protect sensitive skin and nails, improve respiratory health, protects hair. Very easily assembled. It comes with the shell and the 2 filters. All you do is screw it into your pipe, then you screw the shower head onto the other side. The water goes in through this side and it filters out through this end. It does not affect the water pressure at all. Okay, so I'm looking at this paper, right? This says contamination in tap water. Rust causes liver cancer. Microorganisms, sediment causes various diseases. Chlorine causes rectal cancer, colon cancer, bladder cancer. Odor obviously is bad smell. Impurities and volatile organic chemicals causes various diseases. THMs, total methylanes, whatever this word is, it causes kidney cancer and birth defects. Bacterial, obviously it causes various diseases, allergy, various diseases. Lead, we all know how poisonous lead is. A poisonous metal that can damage the nervous connections and cause blood and brain disorders. We all know lead is terrible. Mercury, obviously, also, it's a cumulative heavy metal poison. So all of these things are contaminating our water at various, to various degrees and depending on where you live and how your stuff is. So inside these things are, it's called KDF processed media, high purity granulated copper zinc based alloys removing chlorine and water soluble heavy metals, control scale bacteria, algae, even in hot water. Calcium sulfonate. I don't know why I can't read today. Probably because I'm hungry and I'm tired. It's 100 times more effective than activated carbon in removing chlorine and heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and aluminum. Granulated active carbon. We know what carbon is, most of that, especially if you have fish tanks. Filters are most effective removing radioactive iodine, 131 chlorine, THMs, chemicals, impurities, volatile organic chemicals. So the ceramic balls, basically you're gonna have everything you need in here, in these things, to clear your water out and keep you safe. So again, I tell you guys this all the time. Don't just listen to what I'm saying. Don't listen to what I'm reading off this paper. If you are not familiar with water levels and the things that are the contaminants in your water, whether it's your drinking water, your bathing water, whatever it is, bottled water, look this stuff up. Please look this stuff up for yourself, because again, a lot of us, what we do a lot of times, we say, well, I've been taking showers all my life and bathing and drinking the water. I don't have any issues, but you don't know. So you may have certain issues, whether you have them now or you develop them later, that it could be, it could be the cause of the water, or you know what I'm saying. I'm tired, I'm hungry. But start looking these things up, start thinking about these things, and start doing your research. Because if you can buy a little filter that may protect you, or your kids or your family, it's worth it. It's worth it to at least try it. It's something that I'm going to continue to use, and I've been recommending it to other people. So as I gather more information on it, I'll probably do more videos later giving you updated information. So like I said, I hope this helps. Take a look at this again. Let's focus, let's focus, let's focus. Look at that crud, seriously. So let me know what you think. Leave comments in the comment section. Until next time, stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button, show your support, and tune in next time to see what else pops up on the radar. Salute.
Radar approved.